Introducing the MDC XT17HRT family, designed to bring your family closer together. Enjoy the comforts of home with a spacious queen bed, cozy bunk beds, and a convertible dinette. Savor every meal with fully equipped indoor and outdoor kitchens. Stay off-grid longer with advanced power solutions and reliable lithium batteries. Built to handle any terrain, the MDC17 family is perfect for any adventure. Make every moment count with the MDC17 family off-road trailer.
This is reality check. Okay, this is a 17 family. I love the floor plan. I mean, it's a mess, but here we have our bunk bed. This is like our favorite feature, probably mine and Courtney's, because she has a bed. She gets to choose whichever she wants. And sometimes whichever bunk bed we're not using, we just throw our stuff, like you can see in here. It's all over the place. Shane and I sleep here. He sleeps on this side over there. You probably didn't need to know that, but anyway, we have plenty of storage up here for our clothes. We usually put all of our clothes up there. So we have a little bit of more clothing storage because this time we pack more. But normally that side is good for me and Shane. But yes, I just ended up using this a little bit more. Courtney, we put Courtney's clothes on here, but so she can reach. It's just easy for her to grab her own clothes in the morning. We have some kitchen stuff. We like to have shakes, and we have our blenders in there. We have towels and more storage and whatnot here, paper towels and napkins. One of my favorite things about these 17 families also that we have plenty of storage. That's important to me, to have fridge space so we can have food, the foods that we like, because sometimes we don't have access to restaurants or anything like that. So we do a good shopping before we leave, and we have a lot of storage here. As you can see, we have even bars and things like that we can take anywhere. This is a box full of eggs. I mean, it's hard to pull it out right now, but it's really, really full because we also feed the camera guys, so we have to pack a lot. You cannot really tell, but look at the amount of tortillas that we have. It's insane. So yeah, we have a lot of space in there, and there's even like drinks at the very, very bottom. Like, I can pull it out if you want me to, but it's crazy. This is very deep, very big, plenty for a family of almost 6, because we have 3 camera guys, so you can count that. This is another one that is really, really, really great. It's not quite organized the way I wanted because we barely started our trip. Usually we have more things that are at hand. I'll probably organize it in the next few days, but yeah, we have food that we can just grab as we're on the road. But you reach it out here and then you reach it in the back. So like, look, just push it and we can grab it there. Sometimes when we're filming, we're filming all day and we're off-roading in the middle of nowhere, and so we just stop, grab a bite, done. We don't even have to get in the RV. We just open it from the back, get the food, prepare our whatever we're doing, we're done. So that's my favorite thing. More food storage here, which is great because then when you think like, oh, where am I gonna put this and that, you have all of this space. I mean, it's just beautiful. We even have unnecessary stuff for the 4th of July. We don't need this right now. But since I have the space, I'm putting it there. So yeah, we have more food in there, even under the sink or like under the stove. I love that. You have a big family, lots of room. We have our pots and pans. We have our toiletries here because it's easy since we're next to the bathroom to just grab the extra things. I really can keep opening
I think
everything.
I'd love to see what people actually, how people pack.
This is nice. We have, I mean, sometimes we change spots for where to put our dirty clothes, but this is our dirty clothes hamper right now. But I always have this clothing bag and we just threw it in there. Shoes in here. And we have plenty of spaces to put our stuff. I mean, it's just crazy the amount of space that you have here for camping. I pack all of our vitamins, like really. and, well, trash bags. So there you go. And I know of these latches that you can just keep it secure. It doesn't move. So yeah, that's our MDC fam. I mean, I love, this is my favorite floor plan. I mean, it's really, really well equipped. We have microwaves, we have stove, you have everything that you need inside, and you even have it access to it on the outside. So it's great for that. Lots of space. If it rains, snows, or it's too hot, you can just hang out here. And at times, sometimes we have even more people. So yeah, I'm a fan of these floor plan. So it's great.